The Concussed Woodpecker. Written and illustrated by Trev. That's me. I put on a fresh pair of polka dot undies for this moment. Do you ever wonder if woodpeckers have serious brain injuries? Hashtag me too. They keep banging their heads against trees like no one's business. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Well, this little woodpecker banged too hard and now she has a concussion. Anytime the woodpecker opens her mouth to chirp, only these sounds come out. Chirpity, derpity, do. Chirpity, derpity, do. Chirpity, derpity, do. And she has to stay in dark spaces to avoid severe headaches and dizziness. It's time to see Mr. Dr. Woodpecker for a solution. Mr. Dr. Woodpecker says, woodpeckers whack their heads against trees with a force 10 times that of a concussion-inducing football tackle. You whacked your head with double that force. The little woodpecker asked, with that kind of force, why do woodpeckers avoid concussions? Great question. Woodpecker heads are like bike shocks. The bones in a woodpecker's skull keep the brain comfortable while avoiding concussions. What should I do in the meantime to heal my concussion? Less banging. The end. Please be advised, this story is not intended to medically advise those with concussion-like symptoms. Please see a doctor immediately if you are experiencing symptoms related to brain trauma or other medical conditions. Trev lawyers are not responsible or liable for any head banging that may occur in the process of reading and watching The Concussed Woodpecker. Sports and recreational activities contribute to 21% of all traumatic brain injuries among American children and adolescents. Bang safely or don't bang at all. So, are you guys thinking Red Robin tonight or